Hello and welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can leverage Microsoft Intune to control delivery optimization of your updates for Windows devices. As always, I ask, if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you're aware of all of the new episodes that are coming out. Remember to like, share, comments are always welcome, and check out that description for the link to our community Discord server so that you and I can continue this discussion after the video. What do you say, everybody? It's time. Let's dive in. All right, everybody, here we are on my Windows desktop, and if we want to control the delivery optimization of our Windows updates here in Microsoft Intune, first log into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and then we're going to go to the Devices blade. And then from the Devices blade, we're going to go ahead and by platform, we're going to go to Windows. And then from here, we're going to go to Configuration. And this is where your configuration policies are. We're going to choose Create, New Policy. And we get one of two platforms, either Windows 10 and later or Windows 8.1 and later. We want the Windows 10 and later for this one. We get a couple different profile types here. Well, we get the Properties Catalog too. Settings Catalog gives you all of the potential settings for this profile. Templates gives you a grouping of settings. We're going to choose Templates. And notice we have delivery optimization, and if you want to learn a little bit more about this, you can here. Just you can pause the video and write this down, and can help you out as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and we'll create our profile from that template. And this gives us our basic wizard that we walk through here when creating our profile. We're going to go ahead. Oh, it looks like I spelt that wrong. We want West US Delivery Optimization 01. And then here's where we get a variety of different configuration settings for delivery optimization, just abbreviated DO here, right? We've got the download mode, and you can see a variety of different options here too. And for the exam, I would know a little bit about these, just remembering where you can configure those. Also, the group ID source, notice where it comes from. I'm going to go ahead and choose Entra ID, Tenant ID, and I'm going to choose the download mode is going to be HTTP blended with internet peering. And we can control, again, things like bandwidth percentage, and we can set things like business hours, we can delay, right? So a lot of different things we can do. Set a download optimization, cache host as well to find the source. So a lot of different things that we can do with delivery optimization here. So I'm going to just go ahead and leave the settings that I have, and here we can choose Next. Choose scope tags if we want to delegate administrative privileges over this. I'm going to go ahead and choose Next. And then we have our assignments. Our assignments is where we can search our Entra ID groups here, and we can assign either users or groups to the policy profile, if you will. And we can choose Next. And that brings us to our Review and Create page here, where we can make any changes. You know, we can see the configurations that we currently have and make any changes if necessary. And if we are good, we can choose Save. And then it creates the policy, it saves the assignment, and notice that I don't see it in here yet, right? We can refresh this interface here, and we should see this down at the bottom. There's our West US Delivery Optimization profile. And you can see as devices, depending on how you have this scoped, as the devices and users check in, you can see the status. You can view a report if you're doing auditing and compliance, maybe. Device assignment status, per settings status, and then your properties as well if you need to make modifications after the fact. So there you go. That is how you can control the delivery optimization of your Windows updates with a lot of different settings. And as always, I ask you, if you like what you see here on the channel, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're aware of all the new episodes that are coming out on the channel. Be sure to like, share, comments are always welcome, and check out that description for the link to our community Discord server so that we can continue this discussion. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching.